Proper maintenance of air conditioning and heating systems. One of the main benefits of regular maintenance of air conditioning and heating systems is appliance reliability. Maintaining an HVAC system is necessary to ensure it's working properly at all times, and at peak efficiency. If air conditioning and heating systems are not regularly cleaned, tuned up, and maintained, there is a higher chance of the appliances performing poorly. Not only can a neglected HVAC system not perform as well as one that is maintained, it can also drastically decrease the life of the system. Repairing problems with air conditioning and heating systems as quickly as possible not only prolongs the life of the appliances, it is also a huge contributor to saving money on wasted energy of an appliance that is working inefficiently. Your HVAC system should be fully inspected by a professional at least once a year. Depending upon what the building is used for, it may need to be inspected several times a year. For example, in a high-dust environment such as a manufacturing plant which tends to get very dirty quickly, air filters should be changed more often than usual and special care should be taken to avoid damage to HVAC equipment. The best way to go about starting regular maintenance from an air conditioning service specialist is to look over maintenance records from inspections the HVAC system has previously had. Poor maintenance and not regularly scheduling inspections from industrial air conditioning service experts is easily detectable. If the HVAC maintenance records indicate that there have been problems with the system that could have been prevented by performing routine system checkups, it's time to invest in having a set system maintenance schedule. Often, building managers simply do not understand that without regular maintenance, air conditioning and heating systems will break down and need to be replaced earlier than maintained appliances. Budget should always prioritize inspections and tune-ups as a preventative measure. Calling an air conditioning service company when there's a problem with an appliance can often be prevented by simply maintaining the appliance in the first place. Having an HVAC system properly cared for by an industrial air conditioning service company benefits more than just the people who have invested in the building's appliances. The people that occupy the building most often will also be able to enjoy clean, healthy indoor air at a comfortable temperature. Complaints from building occupants will be much higher in a building where HVAC inspection is not a priority. Whether the HVAC appliances are housed in an office building, commercial site, or an apartment complex, it's always in the owner's best interest to keep the occupants happy and comfortable at all times. When looking for an industrial air conditioning service company to perform maintenance on your HVAC system, ask them about their maintenance routines and company policies. Do they guarantee to find common issues before they become larger and more expensive problems? What all do they inspect? Is system cleaning included in the checkup? Are their employees paid any kind of commission on upgrades or replacements you may not necessarily need? A reliable company should always be willing to answer these questions fully. I've learned that properly maintaining air conditioning and heating systems helps cut down on air conditioning service bills. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Brian_Filioli/33320